Hello, it's me, Ayahuasca from Marijuana Garden.
Women will soon destroy men for robot lovers, according to futurologist Dr. Lon Pearson. Women could increasingly turn to robots for intimacy within the next decade. Even use preserved sperms in robots to get pregnancy if at all they want to experience giving birth, but that's rare case. He predicts that robot partners may surpass human relationships in popularity by 2030, with many women developing emotional bonds with them, as they slowly losing their patience level to build a relationship or taking the household responsibilities because of men-women equality, surpassing nature's strong physical men and weak physical women. Currently, sex toys like vibrators are mainstream, and Pearson believes robot sex will soon follow a similar path. As artificial intelligence and mechanical sophistication improve, initial reservations about robots will fade, leading to more women choosing robots over traditional relationships. By 2030, Pearson suggests that sex with robots might even eclipse human love-making entirely. This prediction was part of a report commissioned by Bondera, a UK-based adult retailer. The expert is convinced that wealthy women will invest in cyborg companions to bring fresh excitement between the sheets, and says that many could even fall in love with them. Dr. Pearson wrote in his report, "The rise of the robosexuals. People will still have reservations about sex with robots at first, but gradually as they get used to them and the AI improves, that squeamishness will rapidly evaporate." The boffin thinks that the introduction of sex robots into our lives should be considered as a positive development. He said, "Sex robots will make the emotional barriers even lower, take away remaining guilt, improve mental health, and people will get even more from their lives."